They are a very good choice if you want to go from a situation like this to a situation like this. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So why are we watching all this cable mess? I'm gonna explain you why in a second, but this is the condition that pretty much everyone knows. So standard cables, these are just random cables that I have on my desk, and it is always the same situation. These cables are just confusing, they just mix with each other, and it is very chaotic. There is no cable management at all. So you can try to organize your cable, but when you have to use it, you have to do this, and you have to take all the cables, you have to fix it as you want, and then when you're done, you have to close it again to get your cable organized. But there is a solution to that, and here our friends from MAGTAME came to help us. So these are two magnetic cables. So as you can see, this is a standard USB-C to USB-C cable, and it is magnetic. You can see that it is pretty well neat and tidy, organized, because it is magnetic. It is almost self-winding. It is very cool actually, and the cable, it is braided, it is very thick actually, and it's very resistant. This type of cable right here, it can hold like up to 30 kilos of weight, and it is a lot. I don't know if you can see it from the video, but this is a standard USB-C cable, as you can see, and this is the MAGTAME USB-C. It is very thick, very resistant, it is braided. These are made from aluminum, and for example, this is plastic, so it is much more resistant, and you can feel it very well in your hands. Anyway, it is a standard USB-C cable. It does go up to 480 megabytes per second. It is USB-C to USB-C, as I said, and as you can see very well, it is magnetic. And to prove you that these are magnetic, so this is a magnet, a small magnet. So as you can see, very cool, right? These are some paper clips. So as you can see, they stick to the cable with ease. Very cool, actually. As you can see, we have another cable right here. It is magnetic too, because you can see the same stuff. And this is also a USB-C to USB-C cable, but this is the newest Thunderbolt cable. And as you can see, it can charge up to 100 watts. It can go up to 20 gigabytes per second of data transfer speed, because this is Thunderbolt. And of course, it is magnetic. So same stuff as the other cable, but as you can see, this one, it is a lot thicker, and in fact, it can hold up to 60 kilos of weight. And you can see the difference between the two cables. I mean, it's massive. And this also, it's braided. It is in the black color. The other one, it is in the silver color. It is very well made. I can tell you that. Feels very premium actually. And also, the best thing, if you have different cables, you can just stick them together, because they will just attach together with the magnets. It is a very cool thing actually. This is perfect to organize your cables. And the best thing is that you can just adjust the dimension of the loop, because if you just stretch your cable, I mean, it is always magnetic, so it would be always neat and tidy. And also, as I told you before, you can just stick multiple cable together. You can see they are just attached together. Very cool actually. If you need one cable, you just have this. When you don't need it anymore, you just attach them together, and then you just leave it there on your desk. Very cool. So for example, if you want to charge multiple devices, you can just take two cables like this, attach one to a device, another cable to another devices, but you have this type of situation and not this type of situation. It is much cooler, and it is of course much better for your cable management. Then if you are traveling and you don't know where to put your MAGTAME cable, I mean, you can use it also as a bracelet. Of course, it's a joke, but I mean, you can do it for real. Also, because they are magnetic, they can assure you a better and stable transmission of data, because they are shielded from some interference from outside. It is a win-win situation. They are fun, and also you get stable data transmission. So this was my review of the MAGTAME cables. They are a very good choice if you want to go from a situation like this to a situation like this. They are really premium quality, and of course, if you want to try them out, you can just click the link down below in the description, and you can get of course a 10% discount on your order. And on their website, they have different cables, different models. I have the Thunderbolt and the standard cable. Here you can see this is the silver, this is the black. And of course you can choose your color on the website. And you have different version, USB-C to USB-A. You have USB-A to USB-C. You have USB-C to Thunderbolt. You have USB-C to Lightning. You have pretty much every cable that you need. So you can find everything on their website. Just click the link down below and don't forget to use the discount code that I have for you. They are really fun. Let me know down below in the description if you ever tried this cable or if you plan to buy one of these. So for this video, it is pretty much it. So leave a like down below if you did like it, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.